Mathematics in nature. In every corner of the world, we saw mathematics. The nature world is alive with beautiful and amazing shapes. The famous scientist Einstein wrote, "The mental universe of the mathematicians has provided human beings with many of their deepest insights into the world." These forms are all connected by a single word, mathematics. Most mysterious number and word. It is Geometry is a branch of mathematics that describes shapes, sphere, hexagons, cone. Nature loves hexagon. Why hexagon, not squares or triangle? Hexagon fit most closely together without any gaps, so they are an ideal shape to maximize the available shape. For example, hexagonal cells require minimum amount of wax for construction while it stores maximum amount of honey. Rock formation also done in shapes like rock formation in White Pocket, Vermilion Cliff National Monument. Let us talk about Fibonacci spiral. If you construct a series of squares with length equal to the Fibonacci number and trace a line through the diagonal of each square, it forms a Fibonacci spiral. Many examples of the Fibonacci spiral can be seen in nature, included in the chamber of a Nautilus shells. Tessellation in nature. In nature, we can see sample of tessellation. This phenomenon is very beautiful and incredible. Here you can see some examples. The giant causeway in the Ireland is a fascinating formation found in nature. It is a collection of hexagons tessellating the ground, even in 3D at some point. Parallel line. In mathematics, parallel lines stretch to infinity, neither converging nor diverging. These parallel dunes in the Australian desert aren't perfect. The physical world rarely is. Fractal. Fractal are just something we learn about in maths class. They are also a gorgeous part of the natural world. Here are some of the most stunning examples of these repeating patterns. Romansker broccoli is a particularly symmetrical fractal. Spirals in sunflowers. By observing closely the seed's configuration, you will see how appears a kind of spiral patterns. In the top left picture, we have highlighted three of the spirals topologies that could be found on almost any sunflower. Well, if you look at one of the topologies, for example, the one in green, and you go to the illustration above right, you can check that there is a certain number of spirals like this, specifically 55 spirals. Thank you. Made by Tamanna Deshwa.